A symphony of justice.
When I was a child, I had nobody in this world. I was left alone, just a sweet little quiet girl. When I tried to speak, words I wanted to say were gone. Someone take me soon, I've been waiting for far too long. Years went by and still no one came. Then one day, everything in my life changed. I was home and I learned to play the chords true and strong. Now I have found where I belong. Find your strength in the music ringing out to set the stage. Fly on wings of celerity, swift and true. Persevere through the battle, though you may be wearing thin. Summoner, know that I believe in you. I will keep you safe, feel my symphony all around. Listen to my hymn and our victory will resound. From my mind to yours, we will win this before too long. A sublime duet is resonating through my song. We must fight for that in which we believe. As the harmonies interweave into one.